Hi everyone, welcome to this week's drone video. We're actually headed to Vegas for the Interdrone conference. I will be there with Women Who Drone, and I'm pretty excited because there are some events that I want to attend, namely the Women in Drones luncheon that is actually tomorrow. So I should be arriving in Vegas at I believe 11 local time from New York, and I'm actually leaving Friday. So it's only really going to be about 2 days of me being in Vegas, but it's going to be pretty fun. So I will check back with you guys when I hit Vegas, and I'm going to try to sleep on the plane since I have been awake since 5 o'clock in the morning. For those wondering, I actually did travel with my Mavic Pro, and Delta here in JFK gave me no problems. All I had to do was take it out of the bag, and they let me scan through. Nothing special. The TSA agent did kind of take a note saying that a drone was going through, but I think they just wanted to give a heads up to the person who was viewing the luggage as it was going through, just so that they know what it was. Otherwise, no problems. Hi everyone, I am now back in New York, and I had a great time at Interdrone. It was actually a week ago, and finally putting everything together now. I was able to meet different people from different companies, so I'm really excited to see where I would be able to go from here within the drone industry. I went with Women Who Drone, and we have a lot of exciting news, and the 1-year anniversary is actually coming up soon. So I'm actually going to link the YouTube down below, and keep an eye out on the YouTube channel for some new content that's actually going to be popping up over there. The conference was great. I went to several workshops, and I was actually able to learn a few things. They were revolved around photo as well as video. So I was able to learn a few tricks here and there about editing. I also took some training for my application for the night waiver, and that went over all of the regulations as well as what we need to do to fill out to actually get our night waiver approved. I especially love the Women in Drones luncheon that actually happens every year, and it is just a room full of women who is in the drone industry, and it was very inspiring to be there and to watch and see what other people have done in this space. The drone industry is still very young, so conferences like this, like Interdrone, is still very small, but yet it is still pretty big for what it is. I was able to walk around and still talk to the CEOs and CFOs of different companies and get to network with them, you know, during these networking events after the expo has closed. And it was great just talking to them, and it was, like I said, very inspiring for me to be there, and I'm very grateful that I actually had the opportunity to do that. I was able to get some business cards, so I still have to email everyone, but going to a conference like this, it makes me feel like I should go to more just to meet everyone and talk to everyone. So this is actually my 1-year anniversary for uploading to YouTube, and for a while I was trying different things with YouTube. I was doing a little bit of drones and tech and crafting, and I was uploading twice a week. But the last few weeks has got me thinking that I should really focus in on what I want to do. And I'm probably going to really just focus in on drones as well as a little bit of tech and vacation. So photography and videography related pretty much. And I already have my next 2 weeks planned out, but I'm actually going to be away on vacation. And if you guys want to see where I'm going, follow my Instagram down below. I'm going to be uploading videos and pictures to my highlights as well as my stories. So follow that if you guys want to stay up to date on where I am and where I will be going actually next week. Before I go, I want to give a shout out to Women Who Drone, Drone Entry, as well as Karen Murphy, who is another drone ambassador for Women Who Drone, who flew with me at a spot in Nevada, which you'll see the video for in about 2 weeks. And she was great to hang out with. And if you guys want to, you can also check her Instagram down below. So I'm gonna have everything down there. And like I said, I want to thank you guys for staying with me for this 1 year. And with that, I want to thank you guys for watching, and check out my Instagram to see the most up-to-date location that I will be in next week.